Welcome class 4. In your EVS class, as in my last video I have given you only due to some problem I was just able to give you only 2 answers of your activity book from the reverse tail, isn't it? So from there we will start, but before that I would like to tell you your science sir has forgotten to give you the project. So here is one project for him. He has given the project collects leaves at least 7 of different plants. So different type of leaves you have to collect and keep them in an old newspaper for 3 to 5 days for drying. Then paste them in your scrapbook or channel file and write their name. So this is your project in science which is given by your Joydeep sir. So kindly write down. You have to only collect 7 leaves in your 7 leaves and make them dry, and then you have to paste them in your scrapbook or a channel file so that it will be clear to you and you will able to paste it in a scrapbook. Okay, now we will start the reverse tail. Some questions are given here, so we will start it from the first part. I have completed, and first part means fill in the blanks. First one is float, second one is dirty, third one is mixed, fourth one is fourth one is drinking, and then fifth one is clean and boil. So I have given it in my last video, so I hope you have got it. Now we will start and the answers the following question. Question A and B already I have given in the video, so I hope you have got it. Now we will start from question C. So write down from question C. Question C is, how does the water become dirty? How does the water become dirty? So the answer is water
becomes dirty by some human activity.
Water becomes
dirty.
Don't speak in my ear. It is very because if every person will speak like this, it will be problem. So if you want to give the answer, write down in the desk. Okay, become very dirty due to becomes dirty due to human activities and mixing of sewage and garbage in the water So water becomes dirty due to the human activities like cleaning, washing and the other things, as well as few of the things are mixing, as the sewage water mixes with the water and garbage is also mixing with the water. So this is not only the human activity. Sometimes municipality workers also do this. They just dump all the things, sewage cleaning, they all are just becoming in the root of the water, they mixes with them. So these all are the dirty things which are mixing with the water. Okay, now question D. Question D is, water must be clean before drinking. Why? Water must be cleaned, water must be cleaned before drinking why? So this is the question. So you should have to write cleaning of water before drinking cleaning of water before drinking is essential in order to avoid diseases like diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, etc. Okay, so cleaning of water before drinking is essential in order to avoid diseases like, which diseases come to us if the water is unclean? So the diseases are like diarrhea, and then dysentery and cholera. These type of diseases come to us if we drink dirty or contaminated water. Now the next question is, what is the best way to clean the dirty water? What is the best way to clean water, clean the dirty water? Okay, the question is given here. Okay, so what is the best way to clean water? So the answer is, you know that what is the best way? The best way of cleaning water is boiling, because if you are filtering water, if you are just doing different type of things like filtering, or sometimes we use water purifier, aquifers, ozone. Yes, ozone we provide ozone gas just to clean the water, but even then the germs or the bacteria and germs remain in the water. That finishes only if we boil the water. But why we do not boil all the time? Because gases go out from the water and water become tasteless. But boiling is the best way to clean the water. Understood? Yes, you have written, so many persons have written Shireen, and again the Shireen, they both have written boiling. Yes, so boiling is the best way to clean dirty water. Okay, so boiling is the best way to clean dirty water. Second answer you didn't write. Okay, I'm repeating here. Rather, I'm writing the second answer so that you can write. How does the water become dirty? So I have given it, Priyojit, in the video, so you should write from there. And now I will write the second answer so that you can write it. The same type of thing is there, but even answer B, who didn't write, they can write it from here. River water become very dirty. River water becomes very dirty river water becomes very dirty due to human activities like washing, cleaning, cleaning utensils, bathing of animals, etc. makes its color almost gray. So ultimately color of water changes. Okay, so river water becomes very dirty due to the human activities like washing, cleaning of utensils, bathing of animals, etc. makes its color almost gray. So ultimately color of water changes in its course. Okay, or ultimately water changes means A and B. What do you mean? Yes, I have written, but as Priyojit has asked me to repeat the second question, that's why I have written the second question. Who already has written from the video, they will not write it down. Okay, so the B question I have written for them, or the second question I have written for them, so that everybody who didn't complete their question from the video, they will complete it. But today I'm giving you last chance for writing. If you are not writing from the video, from the next day, whatever the question I will give in the video, you have to take it, or you have to write it from the video only. Okay, so ma'am, I was late on your give the first question. I have given Shruti in the video, so you take it from there, and it is a very simple answer. River starts from a mountain. Okay, and the B is given, C already I have written, so you just write it down. And you remember that sir has given you the project, so you just write it down because he has given me the responsibility to dictate you the project. So in your science project, remember you have to just draw 7 leaves and then paste them in the channel file or in a scrapbook and write their name. So that's all, and that is the your question, that is your project. Now question 3, write few sentences of keeping the river water clean. So I think you can write it down. It is your homework. Write down HW. It is your homework because you have to write the answer. You know what are the ways we do not have to allow people to wash their clothes and to taking bath of the animals in the river water, so the river water will become clean. And annually the normal people or the general people of our neighborhood or some these social workers, we have to arrange them for cleaning the river, because government has to make some laws so that people cannot make the river dirty. But sometimes our religious feeling, our some social pressure, due to some social pressure, government unable to do this kind of work. So we normal people or we local people have to take the step against it, and we have to make the water clean. So you think about it, what else you can do for cleaning the water, and write your own views. Okay, this is your homework. And next page number, so the question 3 is actually your homework. Okay, I have told you how to write. Question 3 is your homework, and next page is obviously your homework. So 56, make your own slogan on the topic keeping the water clean. And there are many ways of cleaning drinking water. You must using one of them. Write about the one which you use at your home and draw a picture as well. So if you are using the water purifier or AquaGuard or anything water filter, you just make its picture. Okay, now I hope you have completed. Now I will give you the little bit of information about the next chapter, and then I will end up the class. Before leaving the class, you will you just give your presence. Okay, so after the river's tale, we will start chapter 14, Vasava's farm. And Vasava is actually, he is a farmer, and farmer, how many types of utensils, how many types of tools he uses for his for sowing the crop, for losing the soil. These all these all type of tools are picturized here, and the work of them is clearly written in this chapter. So Vasava is actually Vasava's father is a farmer. He belongs to a farmer family and live in Balvanika village in Karnataka. And this is the month of July. Like every year, Appa was my father is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. So how the crop started to grow, these all have been given in this picturization. So before to sow any kind of crop, we have to at first we have to lose the soil, and then we have to sow the seed, and then when the crops come out, how to take them out and how to keep them for the long time. These all methods are given in chapter 14, Vasava's farm. In my next class we will do it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, and kindly give your attendance so that I can take your attendance. Thank you.